Most people were discipled by culture before they were discipled by Christ. And that culture became their identity. Whether it's black culture, white culture, urban culture, American culture, political culture, internet culture. But here's the real question. What happens when human culture becomes louder than kingdom culture? Now listen carefully. This isn't an attack on our culture or our background. God created nations. God created diversity. God created people beautifully and uniquely. But humanity was never supposed to build its deepest identity from world systems. The original design was always kingdom first, meaning before culture told you who you were, God already did. That's why so many people are struggling with identity right now, because culture keeps changing. One generation says this, another generation says that. One group values this, another group values something else. So people spend their whole lives adapting to culture's expectations instead of discovering their God-given design. Culture teaches survival, but the kingdom teaches sonship. Culture teaches performance, but the kingdom teaches identity. Culture teaches division. The kingdom teaches reconciliation. Culture says, become what your environment demands. But the kingdom says, become who God created. That's why scripture says, do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Because if your mind is shaped more by culture than by Christ, you'll never fully walk in your true identity. And honestly, a lot of believers know church culture, but don't actually know kingdom culture. That's the difference. Kingdom culture looks like peace, righteousness, love, truth, authority, alignment, healing, wholeness, and living from the nature of Christ. That was always the goal. Not just behavior modification, but transformation into the image of Christ. Your ethnicity matters. Your background matters. Your story matters. But none of those were ever supposed to become your highest identity. You weren't created to merely represent human culture. You were created to express the nature of the kingdom. That's the culture humanity lost. And that's the one Christ came to restore.